Hey y'all, this is Rochelle and welcome back to my channel, Rochelle's Plans. Today I'm going to be unboxing my September Simply Gilded subscription box, and let's just go ahead and get right into this unboxing. This is gorgeous. You can see that it is called Fancy Fete, which means party, festivity, or celebration in French. If I'm not pronouncing that right, you guys let me know, but I'm pretty sure it's called Fancy Fete. On the box you have this beautiful coppery rose gold foil fan, art deco. It is really, really pretty. And in the background is this turquoise. This is volume 35. And on the back here, you have this pretty, looks like a blush color. Looks kind of like wood grain, but you have the wood grain here at the bottom. You have Jupiter. You have her Simply Gilded branding and her different social media platforms. Okay, I always like to show you guys that, but her boxes, they are just beautiful. So anyway, let's go ahead and get inside to what's inside the box. Okay, so included in the box, in every box, you get this like inventory card, so which lets you know everything that comes in the box. So I'm going to keep this to the side and we're just going to go down everything that's on the card. Okay, so first here we have the journaling card. It says fancy on it. It has this beautiful feather design here, and then it's just white on the back. So this is the journaling card that you get. Let's open this up. Okay, you get this beautiful vellum and acetate here. This one you can see here, it has this like quilted like design. It kind of looks like chevron also, but it has this quilted here design, and then you get this again coppery rose gold foil acetate. Then on the inside it is silver. All right, next here we have this beautiful B6 Traveler's notebook cover. It's really, really pretty, y'all. On the inside you've got the strings here where you can put in your notebooks. You've got the pen loop here, and down here you have a loop here for the charm that you want to put on here. It's rose gold hardware. Then you have a pocket here, and then you have a pocket here, as a mini pocket here as well. Has the beautiful scallop design here with the rose gold heart. Okay, so really, really pretty. I love these horizontal design on here. Really, really pretty. I love this. So cute. Okay, next we have the B6 notebook, again with this beautiful art deco here, coppery rose gold foil with the turquoise in the background, and again it is just the dot grid. And let's see, how you would use this. And put it like this, and then just to give your notebook a little something else than just this right here. You put your vellum on, then your acetate, and you have this right here. So really, 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 really pretty. I love these designs. It's got that like roaring 20s design or theme going on for this month's box. Okay. All right, and you know she always includes, you always get stickers with her kits. So you get the 2 large sheet of stickers, okay? And I think you get 9 full box stickers, including the full box sticker on the mini kit. So you got some headers here. You've got your full boxes. You've got some art deco. You've got some flags. This beautiful bow at the bottom. Okay. Again, in this coppery rose gold foil. So pretty with the marble background. I love that, y'all. Next, you have some more headers and some more full boxes. You've got some circles, more headers at the bottom. You've got some heart checklists, and she included some bows as well. I like to use these bows as bullet points. And then we have our mini kits. More art deco, and you've got some half boxes here. And then I love this marble background, y'all. Look at this sticker. I love this sticker. And this one too, it looks just like the back of the box. And you've got 1, 2, 3 heart checklists. And you've got some date dots, hearts. Here, you've got this beautiful marble background. And then, and they're both hearts, heart-shaped. More heart icons, dates. Well, this is the icons. This is the dates and foil, heart icons. And then, of course, you get the beautiful bow seals that she includes in every subscription box. We also have, now this is, I love this in every box that she makes. You've got this beautiful rose gold pen, and it is a gel ink pen. It is just really, really beautiful, and it's pretty heavy too. It writes in a 0.5, so if you guys want to know that, it is a fine tip. It writes in a 0.5, but this is her rose gold gel ink pen for this box. So pretty. Next, we have the velvet and crystal bow charm. Look how pretty that is with the rose gold hardware, and then this like teardrop like crystal, and it is this turquoise color. So let's see how this would fit here. I love this clasp as well. Okay, so you can just have it like this in your, or on your notebook cover. But I do want to see with that cover, let's just see if a mini happy planner would fit while I have this out and opened. Look how cute that is, y'all. Look at that. If you want to just switch up your covers, that is so, oh my gosh, that is really, really pretty. And I bet you can add more strings if you want to. I don't know where you would get them from, or how many you can put in there, but you can, I bet you can add more strings here. So, yeah. That fits, the mini happy planner fits perfectly in this B6 binder cover. And next we have the washi. The washi comes, she's been putting the washi in this packaging. Just look at this gorgeous washi, y'all. Look how pretty that is. So this comes with the subscription box, okay? This is the 5mm add-on washi that I pay for. It's a separate charge. I love this 5mm washi, so I love the thickness of it, the width of it, so that's why I subscribe to this washi. But I'm going to get this opened and rolled out, and then I'll be back. I have the washi tape all rolled out, and I put it on the back of this journaling card. I don't use it for journaling. I mainly just use it to swatch the washi, so that way I will know which washi tape came with which sub box, and so that's how I keep mine. Okay, so here is the washi tape all rolled out, and y'all look how gorgeous it is. I love the bow washi with the marble background. This is the 10mm. You have the 10mm marble and bow washi, 10mm turquoise washi with the peacock, with the peacock feather. And then you have this perforated washi here, the circle perforated washi. You could use as a checklist if you want to. It's good to use as a checklist. Then you have this kind of geometric shaped washi here that kind of looks like a wood grain. So pretty. And then you have the 15mm marble washi with the bows. And then you have this Art Deco washi here, 15mm as well, that look like little fans. Then here, these four here at the bottom, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these 6 comes with the subscription box. The 4 here are the add-on washi, the 5mm add-on washi, that it is an additional charge to the monthly subscription box. Okay, so you have this like two-toned washi here, which is really, really pretty. The coppery rose gold foil, and then the turquoise, and then again you have the 5mm bow and marble washi, 5mm bow and heart design, and then this 5mm looks kind of like, it's kind of chocolatey, the heart and vine design. So love this washi here, y'all. Okay. Now I'm going to show you all the mystery item, and she is including mystery items in all of her subscription boxes. So if you do not want to see this, stop the video right here. Okay, so here is the mystery item, and these look like they are like washi cards. We got this before. Yeah, these are washi cards. We had this before in the, which sub box was it? I think it was maybe the gym subscription box. I don't know, maybe it was this summer. And yeah, so you get 5 washi cards, and you can either use them as a bookmark, you can punch it and use it as a placeholder in your planner. They are really, really pretty. I like this one. This is kind of like this kind of rose gold color with the grid on it. You've got this turquoise with the peacock. This is just looks like confetti. And then you've got this Art Deco design here. Looks like, kind of looks like fans. And then this just ombre. It goes from turquoise to like the pink or the rose color. Also, you could use, well, I'm assuming what you're supposed to use it for is just roll out washi. Roll the washi around the card, and you can take it with you on the go, so that you always have washi on the go. Okay? And y'all, so this is everything. So let's just see here. Let's recap. We have the B6 Traveler's Notebook. We have the Velvet and Crystal Bow Charm. You got the journaling card. You have the B6 Notebook. You've got the acetate and the vellum. Okay. Of course, we have the washi, subscription washi, and then we have the add-on washi as well. You've got the rose gold pen, the washi cards, and the stickers and the bow seals. So y'all, this is everything in the subscription box called Fancy Fete. I do think this box is still available on her shop, and if you want to purchase, all you have to do is go to in my description box. I will have it linked. If you decide to purchase, I have a referral code, and anytime you use that, well, you would get $5 off of your first $15 order by using my referral code. Okay, and I will link it in the description box below. All right, y'all, so this is it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Playing with Rochelle. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.